It rained last night. Papa, come back. Why you have a badminton racket? A tennis racket?
Mosquitoes, flying insects, a lot in the mountain, especially in the summer.
Papa is an insect killer.
I think we are the first.
No, I saw one boy with the badminton before. With a tennis racket. Insect killing machine. Papa, I don't want to go down there. It's slippery. Oh.
So, go back.
No,
You
let's
just
go.
put your hand.
No, it's so slippery going down. No, I prefer this route, this trail. We gotta continue with your childhood memory series. What's the earliest childhood memory you have of playing in the rain? Did you play in the rain? I played in the rain when I was
Playing
young.
the rain.
Yeah, when it rains, the children in Block 9, we just play outside. But I got boobs when second grade. So I had to wear sports bra. Because I got boobs already, second grade. Did you play in the rain with your brothers or friends?
Definitely we did,
Yeah?
but it's not clear for me to collect those memories experienced playing the rain. But after school, we didn't use umbrella. We just
We walk in the rain.
take the rain as it is, and
Yeah, keep walking.
we walked, we played in the rain.
So your school bag must be wet, notebook and everything.
No, we put a.
Plastic.
We came home first,
Ah, you came home first.
and we just throw stuff. The room
You didn't wait for me. Oh, you killed one insect. Sorry, insect. You have to be murdered. Oh, Mogi Mogi, I saw it. Really black one. Big mosquito. So is there a spring or brook near where you live? The water flowing?
I live in the city.
No river. There's a river in Gwangju, right? The big river,
No, it's so
far away.
yeah. And then we live in a city. There's no reservoir or river, the vicinity.
So you just played with the water directly falling. There's no mini stream or.
No such a thing.
Wait for me. Kimbap smelling something. This is too steep for me.
So you can just put your hand on my shoulder.
Yeah, so don't walk faster. What about heavy rain memory or typhoon? Tepung. Korea doesn't experience a lot of typhoon.
That's true.
Lucky.
July and
No
August,
earthquakes, no typhoon. Just heavy rain.
heavy rain season,
Oh, monsoon.
monsoon season,
Oh.
and
Oh, the water is still dripping, Papa. I can hear the water dropping on the leaves. It's a beautiful sound. Oh no, there's a grandma coming. Incoming grandma. I gotta put on my mask. Put on the mask whenever there's someone walking, approaching us. Still be safe. You know my worst nightmare? I don't have a mask and then the person next to me without a mask or with mask, they sneeze and they pull down their mask before they sneeze. So I will inhale all those germs,
yeah.
virus. Yeah. Kimbap, stay calm. That's very steep for me, Bunch. Can we walk back? We just reach the end and then we go back.
No, we can go back.
Okay, let's go there.
We're so stubborn.
Wait. Kimbap. Oh, so
Go back.
go down there, go down. Just slowly because it's so slippery for me.
We're not so bad. Put your shoulder. Put your hand on.
Put your hand on. Put my hand. Oh, you're walking too fast, eh? I'll put my hand on your shoulder. Oh
Yeah,
my
you
god,
can
I
trust
get
me.
copyright. Chipali! So what's your earliest childhood memory of heavy rain?
Uh,
Did you experience like
sometimes I'm really wondering why I
remember?
couldn't remember so many things.
Maybe they're happy, unhappy memories, sad memories. So naturally we try not to remember the sad memories. Have you experienced the water dripping from the ceiling or from the roof? I experienced that in Block 9. There's some holes. You know, in Philippines we have the metal roofs. Yes, some tin roof have holes, and we gotta put a bucket.
Oh yeah.
Have you experienced that? There's a leak. Why? Putang ina naman eh. I was the one worried to get sleeping and you're the one sleeping. Oh. Okay. Oh. Oh my god, I can smell it. Burnt mosquito. That's why I'm scared. I don't want to sleep. Ay, stop.
That one.
No
I
dripping
think
water
we don't
from the
have
roof, from ceiling.
dripping ceiling.
You have the tile, the cement
Yeah,
tile,
first our roof
concrete
structure is
tiles.
kind of concrete,
Yeah, for winter, right?
not
You
tin.
cannot survive with a tin roof. You'll freeze.
So I don't have much experience. But uh, the moldy wall.
Molds? Ah, yeah, we don't have molds in Philippines.
Mm.
You have molds in summertime.
Yeah,
Oh,
summertime. Especially your house is not that built in the.
so how do you get rid of the molds? The molds are on the wallpaper or concrete wall.
Wallpaper.
So you peel it off or
Just a wipe off the mold with the
oh,
cloth.
you're lucky you didn't get sick from the molds. You're inhaling the molds. But you just keep your windows open, right?
Yeah.
Were you bitten, mosquito?
Oh.
You got mosquito bite now?
But I use this badminton,
Mm.
so less bleeding.
We thought there won't be insects because it rained last night.
It's windy.
But good thing we brought the badminton. Mm. Oh my god. So who's in charge of wiping the molds from the wallpaper?
Nobody in charge. Whoever saw the mold on the wall, just cleaning up, wiping up the mold with the clothing,
Kolle?
the towels, color. So especially we live in a house
Mm-hmm.
constructed in a bad condition or located in a bad environment,
What do you mean bad environment?
like underground,
Basement?
like a basement.
Oh yeah, basement always get
Yeah,
moldy.
that's the only problem.
Yeah, we used to live in a basement, half basement in Komjongdong.
Yeah, like a Kumjongdong style.
Yeah, that's also a very moldy place.
Yeah, because it's a kind of a damp.
Yeah.
Sunlight comes through, but it's built in the underneath,
Half underneath.
half underneath the ground.
So there's a lot of moisture, yeah. So tomorrow, you gotta call Winia. Because yesterday I cleaned the molds from the aircon vents. And I tried to clean inside it. But I hope Winia has like a cleaning service. Because I think the propellers inside the machine, the aircon, has molds too. I couldn't sleep thinking I'm inhaling the molds. Last year, the aircon is 2 years old now. Last year there were no molds. But this year,
So when we finished using the aircon, we had to clean out.
so if we decide
We gotta
that aircon is rental, right? If we decide to change a new one, do we pay a lot of money or
well, after 6 years.
no? I don't want to finish 6 years. So there's a penalty charge,
Yeah, penalty
breaking the contract.
penalty charge plus I gotta buy or rent a new aircon.
Rent a new one.
So another rental fee every month.
Oh,
Like a
don't
penalty
kill.
plus rental fee for the
Oh.
new.
Yeah.
So it's all your choice. I'm gonna keep up the contract amount.
Yeah.
We just use the aircon for 6 years, and then get a new rental for a new aircon. Well, just after 6 years of
Kimchi
contract,
wants to smell.
you will just possess it.
Much, let's walk back na. I prefer the. Let's find more Mimi here. Ah, she wants to see the Mimi first. Correct. Let's take the concrete. Kimchi wants to see the Mimi. The cat there hiding in the bush. Oh, we saw there with the kittens we saw. They are there with the cat in the bush. The 3 kittens living there under the metal house, like security guard house.
Yeah,
It's safe for them under, because I think the rain doesn't go through that. Wow, good decision. Bring the badminton.
that's right.
Wow, we finished the route, the trail, the easiest trail of Chonmasan. I fought with that woman before the beach because she saw me. I put the shit. I pick up the shit, the dog shit, and I put the shit on the bush, under the bush, and she yelled at me. She said, "Why are you putting the shit on the bush?" I said, "It's healthy. It's healthy for the plants." And she kept yelling at me, and I keep yelling back at her. I said, "Do you own this? Did you buy this? Did you buy this area? Did you buy the entire apartment?" Anyway, I didn't pick up the shit. It's fertilizer. I didn't leave the shit in the middle of the walkway. I put it in
I think
the bush.
she's wrong. Many crazy people.
She knows it's me. I'm the only person here walking with 2 dogs with a leash on her belt. Let's find the cat.
Did you fight with her in Korea or England?
Korean, of course. Last year, July. She was there, planting there. I got so angry so quickly. Then I regret it. I should have spoken in English to scare her off. I don't know why. I fought in Korean. There's a Mimi. Let's visit the cats. They live under that metal.
They come out of the underneath. Oh, out of certain
Yeah.
sometimes.
The Mimi there. They live there under the metal house.
Yeah, I know.
Cats always here on the bush. It rained. No Mimi.
Sometimes the cat coming out of the.
There are kittens there. Not so close, Papa. The mother will attack.
That's very sensitive.
Meow. Eh, Miming up here. Meow. So bunch. Let's continue your childhood memory series tomorrow. Thank you guys for watching. Oh, that's the mother, Mama, Papa. Get out, though, get out. Papa, that's so close. Let's go, let's go. Bye-bye. Sorry, Mimi. Sorry we bothered you. Let's go home.